Hello sponsors, and welcome to a quick demo on how to set up for LAYER123 World Congress. Sponsors will receive an invitation email to SwapCard for setup. To access SwapCard, click on Let's Get Started, where it will take you to set up a password. This will bring you to the home page. To set up your profile, click on your name on the right hand side. Click on your name and select My Profile. To set up your booth, select Exhibitor Center. On the left, you can edit your company profile, meetings, and teams. The company profile button shows what your booth will look like. You can include a video introduction, header, background image, as well as ads. To add documents, follow the instructions on the page. You are able to upload presentations, PDFs, and Word files. You can also add products onto your booth. Select the category for your product, insert the name and description and a photo of your product. You can list webinars with a YouTube link in the description. You can access your meeting requests as a team by clicking on Meetings. This is an overview of your team's meetings. Please note you can filter by name and meeting status. You can also reassign your meetings. To do so, delete your name from the host and reassign your colleague to the meeting. You can export your team's meetings on the right-hand side. To download all your leads, click on Teams Contacts and press Export All. To add attendees, press on your Team button. Simply press Add a Member and type in their email address. Now we are showing you the front end of the event. To view all attendees, you can click here on this button. You can utilize the AI matchmaking functions. Simply search for the technologies, roles, companies you are looking for. Your contacts are also shown on the right. If you want to connect with any attendee, click on their names and send a connection request. You can also schedule meetings with attendees by selecting their available slots. Attendees visiting your booth are able to live chat with you. You will receive meeting requests throughout the event. They will appear under the Notification Center icon. You can accept or reject meetings or review the attendee before doing so. There is lead qualification section on each attendee's page. You can score, tag, or write notes for each attendee you connect with. You can access your meeting schedule via the My Event button for all your meetings, sessions, and connections. You can also export your schedule to import into your calendar. You can manage your chats via the Message button here. You can toggle between the exhibitor booth and personal attendee messages. The platform also offers a product section. This page lists all products listed on every exhibitor's booth. Attendees can find out more about your company via the links below. There is also a demo showcase area where demo videos are shown throughout the event. This can be accessed at the top here. If you need any help, you can find us via the Customer Service button. In the SwapCard Resource Center, there are guides and videos for more information.